Welcome to a new video of Wealthy Road. In this video we will take a closer look into the life and legacy of one of the most important American business magnates and philanthropists, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is widely considered to be one of the most successful investors of all time. With a career spanning over 70 years, he has amassed a fortune estimated at over $100 billion and built Berkshire Hathaway into one of the largest and most successful companies in the world. But despite his immense wealth and business acumen, Buffett is known for his down-to-earth personality and his adherence to a simple and straightforward investment philosophy. Buffett began his career as a stockbroker in the early 1950s, but quickly turned to investing on his own. He formed Berkshire Hathaway in the 1960s, and since then the company has grown to include a diverse range of businesses, including insurance, retail, and manufacturing. Despite its size and success, Buffett has always maintained a hands-off approach to management, instead focusing on finding undervalued companies to invest in and hold for the long term. Buffett's approach to investing, which is often referred to as value investing, has proven to be highly successful, and he is widely respected for his ability to identify undervalued companies and hold on to them for the long term. Over the years, he has consistently outperformed the stock market, and his investment decisions are closely watched by analysts and investors around the world. In this video, we will take a closer look at Warren Buffett's life and career, and explore the investment philosophy and strategies that have made him one of the most successful investors of all time. Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930, and grew up in a middle-class family. From a young age, he showed a keen interest in business and investing, and would often buy and sell stocks with his own money. He also had a paper route and saved the money he earned from it. Buffett attended the University of Nebraska, where he studied business and economics, and then went on to graduate school at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School. After graduation, he took a job as a stockbroker in Omaha, but quickly realized that he was more interested in investing on his own than working for someone else. In the early 1950s, Buffett began to make investments on his own, often using the savings he had accumulated from his paper route. He focused on finding undervalued companies and holding on to them for the long term. One of his early successes was in textile manufacturing company Berkshire Hathaway, which he eventually bought and turned into a holding company for his investments. Over the next several decades, Buffett continued to make savvy investments and acquisitions, building Berkshire Hathaway into one of the most successful and diversified companies in the world. Along the way, he also gained a reputation as one of the most astute and successful investors of all time. Buffett's early investment strategies and successes played a crucial role in his rise to success. He focused on finding undervalued companies and holding on to them for the long term, a strategy that came to be known as value investing. This approach proved to be highly successful, and Buffett's investment decisions were closely watched by analysts and investors around the world. One of his key acquisitions was the purchase of Berkshire Hathaway, a textile manufacturing company, in the 1960s. He turned the company into a holding company for his investments and over the years, acquired various other companies like Geico, Dairy Queen, Fruit of Loom, and many more. These acquisitions helped him to build Berkshire Hathaway into one of the largest and most successful companies in the world. Buffett's investment approach also includes a long-term perspective and avoidance of short-term speculation, which differentiates him from many other investors. He believes in buying companies that he can understand and hold on to for a long period of time, even if it means missing out on short-term gains. This approach has paid off, as Berkshire Hathaway has consistently outperformed the stock market over the years. Buffett's rise to success also includes his ability to identify undervalued companies and industries, and capitalize on them. He has made several notable investments like Coca-Cola, Wells Fargo, and American Express, which have turned out to be extremely profitable for him and Berkshire Hathaway. In summary, Buffett's rise to success is a result of his ability to identify undervalued companies, his long-term perspective, and his avoidance of short-term speculation, which has helped him to build Berkshire Hathaway into one of the most successful companies in the world. At the heart of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy is the concept of value investing. This approach involves identifying undervalued companies and buying their stocks at a price that is lower than their intrinsic value. Buffett looks for companies with strong fundamentals, such as stable earnings and a strong balance sheet, and he holds on to them for the long term. Buffett also has a focus on long-term investments, and he avoids short-term speculation. He believes that by holding on to companies for a long period of time, he can ride out any short-term fluctuations in the stock market and reap the rewards of the company's long-term growth. This approach is in contrast to many other investors who focus on short-term gains and are willing to trade in and out of stocks frequently. Another important aspect of Buffett's investment philosophy is his approach to risk management. He has a conservative approach to investing, and he avoids taking on excessive risk. He believes that by investing in strong companies with stable earnings and a solid balance sheet, he can minimize the risk of losing money. In addition to these principles, Buffett also places a high emphasis on the management of the companies in which he invests. He looks for companies with strong and competent management teams and avoids those with questionable leadership. In summary, Buffett's investment philosophy is centered around value investing, long-term perspective, risk management, and focus on the management of the companies he invests in. These principles have been key to his success and have helped him to consistently outperform the stock market over the years. In addition to his success as an investor, Warren Buffett is also known for his philanthropy. In 2010, he and Bill Gates launched the Giving Pledge, an initiative encouraging the world's wealthiest individuals to donate the majority of their wealth to charitable causes. Buffett has pledged to give away 99% of his fortune, and he has already donated billions of dollars to a variety of causes, including education and healthcare. Buffett's impact on the business world and investment industry is undeniable. His investment approach and strategies have been widely studied and emulated, and he is often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha for his ability to predict market trends and make savvy investment decisions. He is also known for his practical and down-to-earth approach to business, and his ability to simplify complex financial concepts for the average person. Buffett's legacy is not only his wealth or the success of Berkshire Hathaway, but also his approach to investing in business, which emphasizes the long-term, conservative risk management, and a focus on value investing. His philanthropy also serves as an example of how successful individuals can use their wealth to make a positive impact on society. In conclusion, Warren Buffett is not only a successful businessman, but also a generous philanthropist and a role model. He has had a tremendous impact on the world of business and investing, and his legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. Throughout his career, Buffett has adhered to a simple and straightforward investment philosophy, focusing on value investing, long-term investments, and risk management. He has consistently outperformed the stock market, and his approach has been widely studied and emulated. In addition to his success as an investor, Buffett is also known for his philanthropy. He has pledged to give away 99% of his fortune, and he has already donated billions of dollars to charitable causes. He serves as an example of how successful individuals can use their wealth to make a positive impact on society. In summary, Warren Buffett's life and career serve as an inspiration for anyone interested in business and investing. His approach, philosophy, and legacy are a valuable lesson for future generations, and his philanthropy serves as an example of how to use wealth for the greater good. If you like this video, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you for watching.